Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use the color of white. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the letter of A. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we use the color of black. Now we use the color of black. Kids, now we draw J. And now we draw K. The next one is L. Now we draw M. Subscribe to our channel. N for nose, N for nest. Now we draw N. The next one is O. And now we draw P. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Kids, now we draw the letter of R. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Black color. Now we draw T. The next one is U. And now we draw V. The next one is W. Kids, now we draw X. The next one is Y. And now we draw Z. Now we draw numbers. Kids, now we use the color of red. Now we use the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The number of 1, O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2, T-W-O, 2. Kids, now we draw 3. And the next one is 4, F-O-U-R, 4. And now we draw 5. The next one is 6, S-I-X, 6. Now we draw 7. The next one is 8. Now we draw 9. And the next one is 10. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.